Good morning everyone, this is Manu Sakla, your business studies teacher. Today we are going to start a chapter, Forms of Business Organization. Contents of the chapter: Sole Proprietorship, Partnership, General and Limited, Joint Stock Company and Cooperative Society. Sole Proprietorship. Now see the definition of sole proprietorship. A sole proprietorship is a business owned and operated by one individual. The word sole implies only and proprietor refers to owner. Hence, a sole proprietor is the one who is the only owner of a business. For example, the shops or stores which you see in your locality, like the grocery store, the vegetable store, the sweet shop, the chemist shop, the panwala, the stationery store, the STD, ISD, telephone booths, etc. come under sole proprietorship. Advantages of sole proprietorship: easy to start, no registration, no profit sharing, easy decision making, easy to wind up, secrets, information about business techniques and no corporate taxes. Our second topic is partnership. A partnership is a legal relationship formed by the agreement between two or more individuals to carry on a business as co-owners. Here, the relationship between persons who have agreed to share the profit of the business carried on by all or any one of them acting for all is known as partnership. Each member of such a group is individually known as partner, and collectively the members are known as partnership firm. These firms are governed by the Indian Partnership Act 1932. Characteristics of partnership. Number 1. Number of partners. Maximum limit is 10 in case of banking business and 20 in case of all other types of business. Our second point is contractual relationship. The agreement in writing is known as partnership deed. And our third and last one is competence of partners. Minor and insolvent persons are not eligible in partnership. Our fourth point is sharing of profit and loss. In absence of an agreement, they share it equally. Transfer of interest. No partner can sell or transfer his interest in the firm of anyone without the consent of other partners. And our sixth point, the last point, is voluntary registration. Registration of partnership is not compulsory. I am again repeating my sentence that registration of partnership is not compulsory. But since registration entitles the firm of several benefits, it is considered desirable. Advantages of partnership. First, relatively easy to start, the ability to raise funds, more skilled persons, loss sharing. Disadvantages of partnership: unlimited liability, profit sharing, conflicts, limited life and transferability. Joint Stock Company, a voluntary association of persons to carry on business. Members of a joint stock company are known as shareholders, and as the capital of the company is known as the shareholder or share capital. The companies are governed by the Indian Companies Act 1956. For example, Tata Iron and Steel Corporated Limited, Hindustan Lever Limited, Reliance Industries Limited, Steel Authority of India Limited, Ponds India Limited companies, etc. Features of joint stock company. First, artificial person. Second, separate legal entity. Common seal, perpetual existence, limited liability, transferability of shares, membership, minimum membership of 2% and maximum 50 is known as a private limited company. But in case of a public limited company, the minimum is server and the maximum member is unlimited. Advantages of joint stock company. First, limited liability. Second, continuity of existence. Third, benefits of large scale operation. Fourth, professional management. And the fifth but not least is social benefit. Disadvantages of joint stock company. Formation is not easy, controlled by a group. Excessive government control, and the fourth but the not least is delay in policy decisions. Cooperative society. Any 10 persons can form a cooperative society. It functions under the Cooperative Societies Act 1912 and other state Cooperative Societies Act. The main object of cooperative societies are rendering service rather than earning profit. Second, mutual help instead of competition. C. Self-help in place of dependence. Classification of cooperatives. On the basis of object, various types of cooperatives are formed. First, consumer cooperative, producer cooperative, marketing